Hi everyone, welcome to Gary's Cooking Corner. My name's Gary, and today I'm giving you my office slash reading nook slash school area. I have to do my classes online, and I've been seeing a lot of homeschool room tours on YouTube lately, probably because of the pandemic and everything going on. So I thought I'd put a college student twist on it, because I know there's a lot of college students out there that have been doing in-person classes and never wanted to do online classes, but now they have to because of the pandemic. So here's mine. It is in my room because that's the space I had for it, and it honestly works really well. So let me turn you around and show you. Okay, so this is an overview of what it looks like. Our desk broke in the move. So I'm using my kitchen table because we never really eat at it anyway. That's water for Ace. Those are boxes I'm still unpacking. Please don't judge that. Some candles that really shouldn't be there. I've got a fan right here because it gets hot in here. This is kind of a mixed use space. We use it for Ace to sleep in at night. That's why his food and water are over there. And his pig, that goes over there, but he took it out earlier. We also use it as like a little reading nook area to relax and wind down with a book. Up here, we've got a little bit of everything. My rosary, this little trinket Connor was given, another candle. As you can tell, I like candles. This is a tripod for your phone, and it's really cute because it was like in the shape of a unicorn. We've got a board game up here. That's a bear that Ace killed. I'm trying to see if I can fix it because I've tried to throw it away like 10 times now, and he still finds a way to get it. This is my chalk buckets for my chalkboard calendar. These are extra wires and whatnot. I have some dice. I'm a little bit of a D&D fan. My lighter's back there so I know that Ace doesn't get into them. Ace is my puppy for those of you who don't know. And just so that way I know where they are. This was a salt lamp, but when we first got the puppy, he decided to chew the wire, so it's gone. So I just use it as a bookend. I am missing one book from the Percy Jackson series. That's because Ace had words to say and decided to chew it. So I'm going to fix that. As you can see, he was a bit of a troublemaker as a puppy. This is my jewelry box. It was given to me by Miss Sue when I was a little kid. I still have it and I still use it. And Miss Sue, if you're watching this, thank you. I can't tell you how much this has really helped. I'm starting to need a new one though. Over here I've got some self-help books, Connor's Coast Guard book from when he was in Coast Guard, some journals. We're not going to go through that. That's really personal. Over here I just have a pot that's shaped like a bunny because it's cute and I don't have anything to put in it at the moment. I've got my old computer. This computer is like 5 years old and it still runs and it still works, but I'm about to get a new one from school because they have a deal going on. And then down here I've got a D&D book. Again, we are both D&D fans. If y'all don't know, Connor is my fiance. A mad science book because we thought it was cool. A spiral for Carrie's Cooking Corner. One of Connor's old books. And then his two yearbooks. And then I've got some other books. I've got my sketchbook. Another pot from plants I killed. I'm gonna repurpose it though because it's really cute. And then there's Ace's toy basket. Not all of his toys are in there. Don't judge me. I'm a good dog mom. Over here, this was given to Connor a while back. This is my planner. And basically, if I can show you without covering up the lens, I got this cover off of Wish. And it's really cool. It's got a lot of storage over here. And like this big pocket, and then 2 smaller pockets, and then 3 smaller pockets. It's got a place to hold a pen. I got this planner from the dollar store, and it works perfectly. You fill in the dates yourself as well, so if you skip a month, it's okay. And then this clear zipper pocket right here. And then I've also got my book for my culinary class and my book for my business class. I've already started filling those out. My scissors right here, so that way I always know where they are. I've got my sticky notes there, and a Ferrex card I don't know what to do with over there. I've had it for like 10 years. Then I have my oil pastels here because I love art. My paintbrushes right here because I love art. My pens and pencils, some of them for art, some of them for studying. I prefer to use mechanical pencils because they make my handwriting look better, as well as fine tip pens. Then I've got my eraser. I need another eraser because that one's going to run out. Over here, it's just stuff I haven't unpacked. Here, I have printer paper. But in the move, my printer decided to explode. So, yay! And then down here, I just have the wheels for this thing. Let's see. And then over here, this is just an art project I'm working on. As you can see, that's Ace's little alcove with his stuff. And that's about it. The space works really good for me. And yes, there's a lot of purposes I try to put in this space, but I put a little area rug down, and wherever that rug is this space, and it's made it kind of feel like another room within this room. I'd love to see what y'all are doing if you're a college student, or if you're a high school student, or if you're teaching your kids from home because of everything going on, or if you just want to. I'd like to see your ideas. So comment down below and let me know about that. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to see more videos with me explaining cooking, different recipes, budgeting for food, stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon, because then you'll know when those videos come out. Alright, I'll have a cooking video coming up here soon. Thank y'all, and I'll see you later. Bye!